Day 1, July 23rd, 2024, my faith packing move completed. Here you're seeing the drawers and the cabinets decluttered and overflowing with stuff that I don't need, stuff that I have and don't remember having. Upcoming, you'll see I've cleared out the clutter, threw away things I no longer need, boxed up things that I will be taking when I move to Florida. Where my house is in Florida, I don't know, but again, this is faith packing that I'm doing. I've also taken the opportunity to organize my non-perishable items in my cabinet, which will be going with me as movers do not move these items. If you want to understand the process of my 3-month packing to relieve the stress of my faith packing, just click the link in the description box below to watch this video, and I want to thank you all for stopping by.